Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to attempt to work on my Shox Judy XC forks. I think these are from 96, 97 probably. So before I start ordering anything, I want to make sure that there isn't anything else wrong inside the forks. So I think there's like some cartridges, and I might need to get some suspension fork oil, 5WT or 7 according to the Shox manuals that I've been able to find. And obviously I don't want to order any elastomers if there's other stuff that needs to be done on this fork and it becomes just too expensive for what it's worth. I would like to keep these as it has a nice long head steerer tube, which is very, very practical. So we're going to undo everything and then find out what needs to be done. First thing we're going to do is remove these caps, the adjuster knobs, that gives you access to the spring and the elastomers. To remove these, you're going to need a 22mm socket, or I just used an adjustable wrench and it worked quite well as well. So we're going to take off this one first, and yeah, that's it. So if I remember, because this was a few months back that I took this off, the one part, a plastic part that's holding the elastomer is missing. It's actually stuck inside the up here inside in the tube, and this one, which also has no elastomer, but here you can see the plastic part that's that holds the elastomer. This one's actually on here, and you can actually take that off if you want. Next thing, I'm fairly sure you need to remove these brake studs. That's number 10, I'm fairly certain. I'm just using an adjustable wrench and it seems to be taking them off. They could be quite tight though. This makes life easier, and it's a number 8 actually, not a number 10. We need to undo these bolts. They're number 6, and we need to do that on both sides. Apparently you need to tap these inwards to somehow release something inside, so we're going to do that now. Let's undo this one. Right, so I'm going to hit it with the mallet, see what happens. Okay, it's gone in. And we'll do the other one. Okay, they've both gone in. I'm guessing this should now slide off, so we're going to see if that works. Looks like it's, yeah. So remove the bolts from the bottom once you've whacked them. I forgot to do that, and that's why they're not coming off. So that's now sliding. Cool. Right. So I'm here. I'm going to take off these rubber boots. We'll give those a clean. We're going to now remove the circlips, the large circlips, or the snap rings, I think they call them on the manual. So you're going to need a circlip tool to take them off. One. And the second one. We're going to now remove the parts separately. According to the manual again, you need to put them in order, though there is a diagram. We're going to remove these bolts now. It's number 5. It's going to take off this tube here. That's the first one. It comes out completely. I'm going to try and get the stuck part inside the tube from earlier. Got it. I'm now finding out why that part was stuck in there, or the elastomer has dissolved into the tube here. I've got to take it out completely. Finally getting the part out. This is the reason why I couldn't get it out. I don't know what the condition of it's going to be now once I've fully removed it. That was the first one, so now we can move on to the second. put a flat-headed screwdriver in between the two. Just lift up gently, and that will give you enough room to shimmer it off. So on the next one, there's the wavy washer. Get a bucket ready for some oil that's going to come out, as mine already did. So there's this plastic part to take off first, and we can take out the whole cartridge. So I'm going to remove everything. There's oil in this again. I'm going to put that into the oil pan before I... There you go. Right, so now we've got that out. I'm going to remove it again to show you. There's quite a few parts on this. I'm going to just leave it on here for now. I'm going to wipe all this up, and then I'm going to order a elastomer, and hopefully this video will continue with me installing the new elastomer and a cleaner fork. I forgot there's the dust wipers that need to be taken off. They're called dust wipers. So if there's rings that hold it down, take them off on both. And we're going to remove them just using a flat-headed screwdriver. Pop them off. There's a bushing as well on the interior here to lift out. Might as well do it if you're going to. Alright, good. Nice bit of Elastimo. How great is that? Shame it's not gold dust. Ugh. Finally got the other part as well of this.